Hi, third grade. Today is Wednesday. We're going to start with the classwork for today. So I'm going to click the classwork tab and I'm going to scroll down. This other stuff that's at the front here, there's just some other information here. You might see things popping up for next week. I sent your parents a message. You shouldn't be working on anything for next week until at least Sunday night because things are probably going to get moved around. So make sure you're just picking the things for this week. If you don't know how to log into Think Central, there's directions right here, and then there's some other additional resources in the middle there. There's books that you can read online. You can take your AR test online. If you're confused about perimeter, and next week we're going to do area, I uploaded some videos there for you. These are your specials that you should be completing during the week. I'm logged in under another student's name right now, so some of them are grayed out because they've already completed them for the week, so you should try to do at least one a day. I'm going to scroll down to Wednesday, and different people's look a little bit different, so if you don't have all the same activities, that's fine. I'm going to click on the ELA, the verbs, past tense and present tense practice. Remember, you have to click view assignment first. Don't click this, click view assignment. Once you get to this page, you're going to click your name, and I'm working under pages again today. Once you get to this page, it is, you should be able to move the parts around. So it says drag the correct past tense answer to the answer box. So here, the past tense of here would be heard. So you're going to move heard up here to the box. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to click the second slide, and the word is feed. And you're going to pick the answer that is the past tense of feed, which it's feeded or fed, and the answer is fed. So you're going to put that into the box. I'm going to pause there for a moment. What you're going to actually do is you'll be completing all of the slides. So I would like for you to do numbers 1 through, there's 15 of those to work on. Okay, so I said that you're going to work on the other slides. So when you come over to slide 3, it says drag the past tense of the verb drive. So it's either drove or drived. So the answer is drove. So you'll drag it up here. And when you're finished, usually there's a turn in button, but this time it says present. You'll notice over here it says all changes are saved in your drive. So what you're actually going to do is once you're finished, I know it seems like it might not work, but you're just going to close the X right there. Then you're going to click turn in, and it says one attachment is on there, and then you're going to click turn in, and then once I get it, it will show me all your answers on the slide that you drug over. Okay, that's it for verbs, and then you can just click back to my name, and then I'll show you the next video for today's next activity. Okay, the next activity that we're going to do is the reading, the focus skill. Again, you have to click view assignment first. Then it's going to pull it up with your name on it. It's a Google slide again. You're going to open that up, and then over here are the slides that you're going to work on. This is the first one, and you just have to drag your answers over here, and this is very similar to the last skill that you just did. Okay, when you do this tomorrow on Wednesday, I'm actually doing this the night before, I only want you to do slides 2, 3, and 4. You do not need to do 5, 6, or 7. Okay, so once again, you're only doing slides 1 through 4. The first slide is just an intro. The second slide looks like this. The third slide is definitions of inform, entertain, and persuade. You just drag the box over. And then the last one is called sort it, and you're just going to sort these. Okay, the next thing I'm working on are the water cycle slides. You're going to click view assignment. again, you have to come over here. Your name is on your document. This is more Google Slides. And what you're going to do here, this is going to be reading this on your own and looking at this. And then you can click slide 2 and it will change. It'll tell you more about the water cycle. So you can start, because it's a cycle, it keeps going. There's condensation and then precipitation, collection, and then evaporation, and it keeps going. Then you're going to click to the third slide. And on the third slide, you have to drag the words where they belong. So you're going to put collection where it belongs, and then you'll move the other ones also. Okay, so put that one back. Then you're going to come down to the fourth slide, and the fourth slide gives you the 4 words with the definitions. All you have to do is drag these over to match them up, and of course you can go back up to slide 2 or 1 if you need help with the definitions. Next, I'm going to come down to slide 5. On slide 5, you're going to drag, there's 3 choices here, but you only need to choose 2 of them. So you'll have to show me, is this snow showing precipitation, evaporation, or condensation? And then what is happening to the water when the sun hits it and it's coming off the lake? So you'll have 1 extra answer down here at the bottom. There are more slides here. You might have to slide down. You're going to go to number 6, slide 6. Let me see where it is here. Slide 6 is the same kind of thing. You have to tell me what's happening in that picture. You're going to go to slide 7. Same kind of thing. Show us what's happening here. Slide 8. Oh, looks like it's done for you, so you can just skip past that one. Slide 9, you're going to choose what's happening there. Slide 10 looks like this, and it's showing the water cycle on Earth, and you're going to move them where they belong. The precipitation is already up here for you, but you'll have to slide the other 3 where they belong. And that's it. There's only 10 slides on here. Once you're done, it's the same thing. It says present and share in the top corner. Your changes are saved. All you do is close it. It saved it for you. Then you click turn in, and then you turn it in. And that's it for science. Okay, our last activity for Friday is the math. It's 11.2, the video and the instruction. You have to click view assignment. Do not click these things yet. Go to view assignment. Once you go to view assignment, you're going to click on the Go Math lesson. It's going to take you to this page with the bunny, and we're still talking about perimeter. This is only the second lesson. You'll click start, and then you're going to answer the prompts as you go through, and it'll let you know where you are.
I've been standing here looking at the shapes in the sand. Someone drew
Once
this
you've worked
shape
through
in the
this
sand.
whole math section,
like a
all you'll do
triangle.
is close it out again. And there is a Google form here, and you can click that yes, you completed it, submit, and then close out of this. Do not click any of that other stuff. And then you can click mark as done. And it says you didn't attach anything, and that's fine. Just click mark as done. And then you can go back